This is funny. I didn't know what somebody was staring at me for. I'm like, why is she staring at me? And then I remembered. Because she kept looking down at the plate. Look at her. Why are you staring at me, Smoke? What is it? What you want, baby? Smoke. What you want, baby? What? What? Come, Smoke. What do you want, baby? Sit. Stop now. Sit. What do you want? Tell me what you want. What is it? And she knows I haven't given her permission. Okay. No, not yet. Nope. You have to wait until Nana gives you permission.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Go. Drop it. Good girl. Good doggy. Sit. Okay. Go ahead and get it. Pillows. Take it and go. Good girl. Hurry up.
I'm gonna go get the phone.
She's silly.
Can I take the phone?
Y'all was writing and just finished writing and throw your pen and paper and stuff all on the floor.
I didn't.
Yeah, it was Chris Dion. Chris Dion, that's your pen. You had the purple pen. He had the black. Pick up those other papers. Hurry up. Oh, you're back? Hello there. How are you? What do you want?
He wants the nettle of the bone. He wants the nettle bone.
What is it, Smoke? Come here, my precious puppy.
Sit down.
What do you want, baby? Come here. Come. She's mad.
I think she's really mad.
She's like, quit playing around. Say, give it to me. Say, give it to me. What? What? Okay, come get it. Come. No, I'm serious. You can have it.
She picked on the nose.
Go ahead. There you go. Drop it. Ha! Drop it. Good girl. Now get it. It's yours for real. I'm sorry, Smoke. I just want to show that you know that if I say drop it, you'll drop it. Go ahead, for real. Go ahead, baby. She's like, I don't trust you. Go give it to her. I'm sorry.
Get it, Smoke.
Get it. Get it, Smoke. Get it, girl.
Yep.
She's like, I don't believe you guys. See, I told you I wasn't going to do nothing no more. Say anything. She's like, I don't believe y'all. I just don't even want it. Even though I want it, I don't even want it. I don't even want it no more. You're such a good doggy, Smoke. Do you know how many people can give a dog a bone and tell them to drop it and they actually drop it? Or even when they give it to them, they'll wait to make sure, are you giving it to me? Is it mine? Guess what, Smoke? You're almost like the only one in town. Good dog. Love you, Smokey. You're such a good girl. You knew you was going to get that bone.